Hi, this is Dr. Richard Downs with Sleep Balance Academy. I'm a dentist in Iowa, and this is addressed to chiropractors. I want to show you two devices that can help you with your snoring of patients. First one is called the Circle Ring. As you can see, it's expandable, fits on one finger. It's FDA approved for monitoring blood oxygen levels when the patient is sleeping. It'll help you with your snoring patients. The second one is called the Night Owl. This is a disposable, actual FDA cleared sleep study. There's enough recording time on here for over 7 nights of studies, and it only costs you $150. You can dispense it to your patients for $500. The two together can profit you over $500. So we have a special pricing for you and a special landing page. Let me show you that. Okay, here's a QR code for purchasing these devices at special offer. It's at sleepbalanceacademy.com/special-offers ? sleepbalanceacademy.com/special-offers ? Thank you very much.